Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Honda Odyssey XL. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 123,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.